Hey everyone, welcome back to the Home of Thoughts, the channel where we explore cool ideas and amazing science. I'm Aarinn Ambekar, I'm 12 years old, and I absolutely love reading and learning new things. Today, we're talking about the science behind those awesome volcano experiments we do at home. But how do they actually work? What's the science behind the fizz and foam? Stick around as we dive deep into this exciting reaction and uncover the secrets behind it. Let's dig deeper, one thought at a time. So, what is the volcano experiment? The volcano experiment is an experiment in which you construct a volcano out of sand before placing two reactive substances, so usually baking soda and vinegar, or Coca Cola and Mentos, in the caldera or crater. These two substances react, resulting in a really large eruption. So, how does this experiment work? This experiment works due to the state of the substances. If we take, for example, the baking soda and vinegar way of doing this experiment, baking soda is an alkali or a base, while vinegar is an acid. When acids and alkalis or bases collide, they release water, carbon dioxide, and a salt. In this case, the salt produced is sodium acetate. The carbon dioxide is released in the form of bubbles, creating a foaming effect. So, what is the reaction named? The reaction in which acids and alkalis collide is named neutralization, as they affect each other in the pH scale. For those who don't know, the pH scale is a scale in which you measure the acidity or alkali of the substance. For instance, vinegar is further down the pH scale as it is an acid, while baking soda is higher in the pH scale as it is an alkali. So, how does neutralization work? Neutralization works with simple maths. To neutralize a substance, you must add its opposite. For example, a substance with the number of 4 on the pH scale must add a substance with the number 10 on the pH scale to become neutral, i.e., pH 7. When a substance becomes neutral, it produces two things: water and a salt, but not an ordinary salt like table salt. The salt the salt's name is a combination of the acid and alkali's name. So, for example, sulfuric acid plus sodium hydroxide creates water plus sodium sulfate. We take the first part of the alkali, sodium, and the first part of the acid, sulfuric, to create the name of the salt. If the acid was nitric acid, it would be sodium nitrate. And if the acid was hydrochloric acid, the salt would be called sodium chloride or table salt. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more content like this, just like this video and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Okay, bye.